As far as like how to get sales right now, if you're selling products and you don't have a big audience and you don't want to just keep playing this Reels hamster wheel game, we turn to paid advertising. Let's say that we are selling my t-shirts. Rather than running an ad where I just say, hey, buy my shirts, 25% off, what I would do is I would create an ad that says, to debut my brand new shirt store, we are giving away a $200 shopping spree that you can pick whatever you want from my store. You're just giving away the exact same thing you want to sell, because that is how we get an audience of people who only want that product to enter. And then at the end of the giveaway, we say we've got the winner decided. And for the 5,000 of you who entered the giveaway that did not win, thank you so much for playing. As a consolation prize, you can get 30% off our entire store over the next week to say thank you for playing.